Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable or disable push notifications into your ShopPay application. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application, and after opening the ShopPay application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this profile picture icon into the top right corner. After selecting that icon, you will get to see this setting icon directly. Tap to setting, and after tapping into settings, you will find notification settings. Tap to notifications, and after that, if your notifications is disabled, you just simply have to enable this toggle for allow push notifications. Simply enable that and tap to allow. And if you want to disable it again, just simply disable that toggle. And this way you can very easily enable your disable notifications for your ShopPay anytime you would like. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.